Imagine you are navigating a digital product effortlessly, finding what you need and enjoying the experience so much that you don't even realize how seamless it all feels. That's some magic of UX design. I'm Sumit Nautiyal, and today we are diving deep into the fundamental principles of UX design. Stick around till the end for a surprise that could transform how you approach design. So let's get started. Peter Morville, the pioneering mind behind information architecture, introduced the UX Honeycomb. It consists of 7 crucial principles: usefulness, desirability, accessibility, credibility, findability, usability, and value impact. Mastering these principles sets your product apart and makes it irresistible to users. Let's break these down. The first principle, usefulness, is about meeting user needs and solving their problems effectively. Think of a calculator. It simplifies complex math, providing immediate value. If users can't quickly understand your product's purpose, that's a sign of poor UX.
Oh no!
In complex interfaces, prioritize essential features. Use progressive disclosures to introduce advanced functionalities gradually, preventing users from feeling overwhelmed. So here's a pro tip for you guys. Whenever in doubt, ask yourself, what purpose does this serve? This keeps your design aligned with your product goals. Next, we have usability. This is about creating products that are easy to use and navigate. If your interface for booking accommodations is confusing, users won't stick around. Even small issues like a missing back button can hurt usability. Desirability makes your product fun and engaging. It's not just about functionality or aesthetics, it's about the emotional connection users form with your product. Think of reliable tools like Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. They may not be flashy, but they are loved for their effectiveness. Next, findability. It ensures users can easily navigate and find what they are looking for. This involves intuitive navigation, well-structured information, and an effective search system. Here are some ways to enhance findability. Practice intuitive design based on user research. Keep the interface clear and free from clutter. Maintain consistency in design elements across different pages. Establish a clear hierarchy on each page. Next, accessibility. It ensures that everyone, regardless of disabilities, can enjoy good user experience. It goes beyond just meeting the needs of people with disabilities and aims to create inclusive designs usable by everyone. Contrary to popular belief, designing for accessibility doesn't make design boring. It makes them more usable and enjoyable for all users. Next one is credibility. Credibility is about making your audience trust and believe in what you offer. According to the Baymard Institute, 25% of users abandon their carts because they don't trust the website with their credit card information. To ensure credibility, be transparent about how you use users' data. Include testimonials and reviews. Highlight your expertise, introduce your team, include your company's address and contact information, use trust badges and seals on payment pages, regularly update your website's content. Lastly, value impact. It focuses on delivering value to both users and the business. Prioritize user needs to ensure the product serves its purpose. Neglecting user needs can result in a beautiful but useless product. Take YouTube for example. It offers free content streaming while generating revenue through ads and premium subscriptions, balancing user needs and business goals. Now, for the surprise I promised, here's a tip that can change your design approach. Start every design project with user research. It might seem obvious, but it's often overlooked. Understanding your users deeply will guide every decision you make, leading to a more successful product. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to watch the other videos in this series for more insights. Join our community by subscribing, liking, sharing, and leaving a comment down below. Your feedback helps me grow and provide more valuable content. So remember guys, people ignore design that ignores people. Frank Shimero. So keep learning, stay curious, and let's design a better world together. See you in the next video.